Adjust the frame length to match the distance between the front and rear wheel centers that you just measured. The straps can be wrapped around one side. Tighten the fasteners after the length has been adjusted. Place the bike rack horizontally on the roof crossbar. Next, install the cleats. Install the clamp tabs through the slots. Please note that the bike rack has two cleats in the front and a large cleat in the rear. Use a screwdriver to secure the rear cleat first. Unfold the bracket. Longer screws to secure the rear cleat. After installing the rear cleat, first check that the bike rack is positioned correctly and balanced. After making sure the bike rack is balanced in its position, secure the front cleat as well. Note the shorter screws used in the front position. Tighten the screws and the installation is complete.